Made easy. Make chocolate-covered strawberries, chocolate-covered pretzels, cake pops and more with the Wilton melting pot. With an ergonomic, heat-resistant handle and 2 easy pour spouts, perfect for pouring melted candy into a decorating bag or drizzling directly onto treats. Quick. The Wilton Candy Melts melting pot has 2 temperature settings, warm and melt, so you can quickly melt up to 2½ cups of Candy Melts candy or chocolate in less than 10 minutes and keep it warm for dipping. Performance. An innovative heating base stays cool to the touch, a safety light indicates when the Wilton pot is on, and it has rubber feet to keep it steady on your counter. Has a polarized 120-volt plug and features 2 temperature settings, melt and warm. Care instructions. Silicone insert is removable for easy cleaning and is dishwasher safe. Wipe outside of the Candy Melts melting pot with a clean damp cloth. Easy to clean and convenient removable silicone pot. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect melting pot. I used this almost as soon as it arrived today. I am very pleased with this. It is a lot easier than using a double boiler or the microwave for the chocolate that I melt for candy and decorations. One caution is to start out on high, but once the chocolate starts to melt, move the temp setting to medium, because the high really does get hot, and it will burn the chocolate if you leave it on high for too long. Today I filled it up to the top with milk chocolate and chunks of salted caramel and melted it for candy in molds. It melted it smoothly, and it was easy to both pour it into molds and to spoon it out into the tiny spaces. If there is anything negative about this melting pot, I haven't figured it out yet. But, if something comes up that is a negative, I will update this review.